A DESC file carries metadata and description information for BitTorrent content, the contextual details that accompany a torrent package. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you view or manage these torrent metadata files. The fastest way to confirm a file's state is with a dedicated file reader. It's better at handling DESC files with integrity issues than most dedicated programs. DESC files are description metadata files associated with BitTorrent downloads storing human-readable information about torrent contents, including file descriptions, upload notes, category tags, and content details provided by the torrent uploader for peer reference. Torrent DESC files are plain text or HTML files containing descriptive content about the associated torrent download. They store uploader comments, content descriptions, technical specifications, and installation instructions. They are separate from the .torrent file itself. mTorrent, developed by BitTorrent, Inc. serves as the industry application standard for DESC. Windows can preview the image, but lacks the internal codec for true rendering. Windows supports universal text formats, so they open smoothly in default tools. To guarantee file access, right-click your DESC file and select Open With. If mTorrent is an option, test it. If it's not available, choose another program. We are trying to force the file open with a compatible application. If your DESC file still refuses to open, stay calm. It's typically one of three basic reasons. Here is a simple breakdown of the common culprits and how to check them. First, viewing the description. Open the DESC file in any text editor such as Notepad or Notepad++ to read the torrent description content. If the file contains HTML formatting, open it in a web browser for properly rendered display of formatted text links and embedded images. Next, using with torrent clients. Some torrent clients automatically display DESC file contents in the torrent details panel. In BitTorrent or Deluge, check the torrent properties or description tab to view associated DESC information. Copy the DESC file to the same directory as the torrent file for association. Finally, managing description files. DESC files are informational only and do not affect torrent downloading or seeding. They can be safely deleted after reading the content description. Keep DESC files organized alongside their associated torrent files if you maintain a categorized torrent library for reference. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out FileMagic.com to download now. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.